You see this garden egg sauce, it is giving everything it should give. Alright guys, so the first thing I did was to wash the garden eggs really thoroughly and cut it into tiny bits like this. So pour it into your pot, pour in water. I used hot water because I really wanted it to cook really fast. Add a pinch of salt, put it on the fire and let it cook. Get your tomatoes and your pepper. You can add any other thing, but this is what I used. At this point your garden egg is cooked, so drain the water and blend. It should look like this. In another pot, you pour in your palm oil and a little bit of groundnut oil. Once it heats up a bit, you add in your diced onions like so, and then you saute it for a bit. Add in your blended tomatoes and pepper, stir it around for a bit, and then let it fry. As it fries, maybe for a minute or two, you add in your garden egg. That's the blended garden egg, okay? Stir it around and add in your washed dried fish. You can add any other thing of your choice, any other protein of your choice, but this is what I used. Going with your diced Kpomo to make it, let it marry each other. let them get to know each other in the pot. And you go in with your Ugba and then stir it around for a bit. Now you need to be generous with your crayfish. Okay, once you add your crayfish, make sure you're very generous with your crayfish. So go in with your crayfish and add a little bit of salt. And that's it, guys. That is all. That is all you need. And of course, I actually added seasoning cubes, but I didn't film it in the process, but I added it somewhere in the video. But anyway, that is it, guys. This is all you need to make your yummy finger-licking garden egg sauce. My husband loved it. He couldn't even believe how awesome it tastes. This is my first time making it, and this is my first time eating it, and I will be making it again. So let me know if you'll be trying this, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.